Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. I'm currently on my way to go drop off my wheels. The other one's back there hiding. Currently heading to BR Wheels. I'm only gonna be rebuilding two. I am gonna be sizing down the lips on these, and I'm just gonna make the other ones work. This setup has 4.5-inch lips, and these ones I'm gonna be doing 4-inch lips. So I don't know. I still think it's gonna be too big, but I'm just going to see how it works. About 2.5 weeks later, I have picked up my new wheels. Oh my god, the lip is so much smaller. I actually have my new tires on the way to go sit in traffic. And I get to take my wheels home. Oh, I need to cover them in the blanket actually because they will rattle. A lot of time later that I filmed that first clip. I'm finally gonna be putting on my wheels. I know this has been long awaited. I get messages and comments like, what happened to your wheels? I'm thinking the same thing. We got the car loaded up. It is a rainy day. I love the rain, but it is tough out there. I got my wheels. In case you forgot, I do have some work L1 3-piece wheels, and I've had them for probably over a year now, but I am the queen of procrastinating. Sadly, I hate it, and we're gonna get these freaking babies mounted and finally put on my car. I am putting some new tires. I haven't tried these ones out yet, but shout out Fitment Industry for sending me these tires. If you guys need any wheels, tires, suspension stuff, check out Fitment Industries. They have so many things. If you're even thinking about what to get, they have a whole gallery of a bunch of cars that you could see different setups on. That definitely helped me find my first setup with the Conseils and this setup, so definitely check them out. So these are the tires that I got. I know this is such a bad angle. I should have shown them before I put them in the car, but these are the Toyo Extensas HP2, and these are 225 4018s. We're gonna be heading over to Andy's Tires to mount these, and I'm probably gonna get drenched, and I probably won't even be able to film because it is starting to pour now. I'm waiting in the car while they mount the tires. Shout out Andy's Tires for helping in the rain. Got drenched. But I can't even see, it's raining so much. I'm so excited. My hair looks crazy now, but at least I'm one step closer now. Let's put this back up. I think that was a success in the rain. I think Ali approves. You approve, Ali? You approve? You approve? He approves. Finally! I'm kind of sad that I'm gonna get rid of my Conseils because I love the Conseil setup, honestly. I am kind of sad that they're not white faces, but I think I do want to eventually powder coat them. I feel like silver and chrome lips go on anything, but definitely the white stands out. Oh my god, this is freaking bird poop. Excited to see how it looks on, fully on the ground, driving. I'm gonna have to make some adjustments. The control arms, how I was saying. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to add my camber bolts again to the front because they are still pretty big. I think tomorrow I will install the control arms. I am gonna be making a separate video for that install, so if you guys want to watch it, go check it out. It's probably gonna be up before this one. I'll leave it linked down below. We're at the Lonzo workshop. Gonna lift up the car. I just installed the rear upper control arms. Made a video on that. Hopefully all goes smooth and they look good. Now it's time to say goodbye to the Conseils. We had a good run. Since before it was pink. I had them when the car was still dark gray. I got them and then I went pink. These are looking thickums. Look at that one. I'm gonna add the camber bolt to the front. That's huge. It needs some tweaking, but let's see how this looks now. I love this. I love the chrome. It looks so shiny. It looks so good. This is how it ended up looking. I forgot to take off the tire sticker. I freaking love how it looks. It is hitting the end link a little bit in the front, but as for today, this is how I'm gonna leave it. It's not too bad. I actually freaking love how it looks. I'm obsessed. It's a few days later. We're back at the shop. Got Russell working on the M3 over here. Russell putting his spacers in. I am rubbing a teeny tiny little bit in the front, but we're gonna roll the fenders. Hopefully that clears it. I thought I was gonna wish that they were white, but I'm honestly loving this silver chrome moment a lot. -8. Look at her, guys. Here she is, fully sitting, finally in the garage. She is driving pretty good now. Not rubbing as much. Honestly, rolling the fender did the trick. I love how they came out. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys love it? They are not clean right now. I need to give them like a little polish because since they were sitting for so long, they have a layer of dust and I just have not cleaned them because I haven't washed my car. I do need to order some center caps, but I don't think I'm gonna get the ones that come with the Meister wheels because personally, I don't love that center cap. If I have the choice, I'm gonna get the one that just has like the W for the work wheels. So I might do that. I also need to get new stickers for the rear wheels because these were the ones that got rebuilt. I don't have the sticker anymore, sadly, but it's sitting really good. Before I put these on, we actually measured every single wheel to make sure I had the specs down because I don't think I was told the right specs when I bought these. So we just kind of measured it ourselves. So I'm gonna tell you guys in case you guys are looking for 3-piece wheels. It's gonna change and vary depending on what setup you have, what coils you have, how much camber you're adding, what other components you have on your car, just to reference what I have because I know I had no idea what size to get for 3-piece wheels. There's like 1,000,000,001 options. Okay, so they are both 18 by 9.5, but the fronts have a -5 offset and they have a 4-inch lip. So this is what that looks like. I did have to do some tweaking. I do have BC coilovers. I have the Broadway camber plates on the top. Even that with this size wasn't enough. You either have to slot your coils or add some camber bolts and mess around with that. There was still some tweaking to do to the front with this size. I'll write everything on the screen. There's a clear number for it, and then they are on 225, 40, 18 tires. For the rear, they are also 18 by 9.5. These ones have a +4 offset. So a little bit different. These are the ones that I got rebuilt. They originally had a 5-inch lip, but I downsized to 3.5-inch lip. So that is what this looks like. These ones were a little bit easier to fit. I have the BC coilovers and then I added the upper control arms. So I maxed those out and this is what you get. Honestly, if these were the same size as the front, I probably would have had to get lower control arms, but thankfully I didn't and it worked. Personally, I think I like the bigger wheels being in the rear, but it just didn't work out and I didn't want to have to go and buy more parts for this. Like I just wanted it to be done and kind of work with what I got. I might play around with it in the future, but personally, I don't mind. I don't think it looks bad. Let me know what you guys think. If anyone was curious what my Conte wheel setup was, if you're not getting 3-piece wheels, those ones were 18 by 9.5 as well. They had a 22 offset. Those ones originally didn't fit that great as well. The rear had fit perfect and naturally cambered in when I got coils, but the front I did need to add some camber as well. When I had the Tane coilovers, I had to put in the camber bolts. But then when I upgraded to these coils, I had the camber plates up top, so that helped me fit my Conte wheels. If you're looking for that setup, there was a little bit of tweaking, but it wasn't too much. I think the camber bolts are too expensive if you already have coils, so it should work out, hopefully. I had the same tire size for those, so there were 225, 40, 18s as well. I did get asked a lot about my wheel setup, and I have a video on it, like an old video, but that thing's like ancient by now, so In case you were ever wondering, I don't have any valve stem caps for these wheels. I have these Hello Kitty like universal covers that I've had for a really long time. I thought it would be perfect to just put them on my wheels right now. I'm a Hello Kitty girl, so this is perfect for me. If it's not your cup of tea, then I'm sorry. Where I got them from a long time ago. I think I'll go because it's chrome. Oh my god, that is so freaking cute. I'm gonna make some people mad with this. So cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna give the wheels a wipe down because they're looking a little dusty. So let me know what you guys think about the new wheel setup. Do you like it more than the other one? I hope you do because I do. I didn't expect to love this color combo so much, but honestly, I love it. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see for the FRS or even for the 240. I want to start working on the 240 more. I want to know what you guys are looking for, what you guys want to see from me. Let me know. I'm open to everything. And don't forget to check out Fitment Industries. I'll leave their information down below. Everything else that I said in this video, I'll leave it in the description. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.